Yes, students, let's start with the questions given on page number 8 and quickly raise your hands to answer. Now the story is clear to you. Yes, first question. Yes, Isha Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Who does I refer to in this story? I is referred to Hari Singh in this story. Uh, he is 15 years old, a young boy who is an experienced thief.
Yes. I refers to Hari Singh, the thief, who is 15 years old, but according to his age, he is very much experienced and fairly successful in his work. Yes. Second question. Divya. Yes, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Why is he a fairly successful? What is he a fairly successful hand at? And the answer is Hari Singh is a fairly successful hand at stealing. He is so clean in stealing that that while doing his work of stealing, he is not caught. He is not caught, and he is an experienced thief at
You
15
have,
only.
yes, you have to just explain the meaning of this phrase. He is a fairly successful hand at robbing people because the question is asked, what is he a fairly successful hand at? किसमें उसका हाथ जो था बहुत साफ था? At robbing people. Try to be brief in these type of questions. Yes, next question. Rik Bajaj.
What what does he get from Anil in return for his work? For the return in for Hari Singh for doing work in Anil's house. For example, going to buy groceries and making tea. He is not paid, but he is given food to eat. He is fed.
What does he get from Anil in return for his work? He gets food, a place to live, and lessons in writing in return for his work. इसको खाना भी मिल रहा था, रहने के लिए जगह भी मिल रही थी, and even he was getting education also. Clear? Yes. Next question, Archana beta. Coming to the next page, read and find out questions. Yes, which are given on page 10. Yes, Archana beta. Read the first question.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? The thief thinks that Anil will react to the theft very carelessly. As he is a careless man, he will just show a sign of sadness on his face, and he will not be sad for the robbed money, but be sad for the loss of trust which he made on the thief, Hari
Yes,
Singh.
very good, very good. Thief thinks, Hari Singh thinks that Anil will react to the theft with sadness and a tinge of betrayal. Betrayal होता है धोखा देना किसी को, not for the loss of money or for the money he was robbed, but for the loss of trust. He would be sad. Yes, next question. Devishi beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? Hari's experience at theft had made him aware of different reactions of people. He says that when a greedy man is robbed, he shows fear. When a rich person is robbed, he shows anger. And when a poor man is robbed, he shows acceptance.
Yes, he says that on being robbed, the greedy man shows fear, the rich man shows anger, and the poor man shows acceptance. Very good. Next question. Lavanya beta.
Yes, ma'am. Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? Yes, Anil does realize that he has been robbed, probably because he saw that the notes were damp and wet when he woke up, but he did not behave but he did not give any punishment to Hari Singh, as he wanted him to realize his mistake himself.
Yes, Anil realizes that he has been robbed as the 50 rupee note he hands to Hari Singh was still wet from the previous night's rain. And he wants that Hari Singh should realize his mistake himself. Now, coming to the questions given at the back. Yes, think about it. Here, sometimes you have to add your own thinking skill and giving your own opinion also. Okay. Uh, Raise your hands quickly. Who will answer? Priyanka, Parneet. Yes, beta, come forward. Yes, the question is, listen carefully. What are Hari Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education? कि अगर उसको एजुकेशन मिल रही थी तो उसका रिएक्शन क्या था इस बारे में? डू दे चेंज ओवर टाइम? क्या उसके रिएक्शंस या उसके आइडियाज जो हैं टाइम के साथ चेंज होते गए? यू आर गिवन हिंट्स आल्सो. कंपेयर फॉर एग्जांपल द थॉट, I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. With these later thoughts, whole sentences I knew would one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught, but to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. So we have got his views. उसके reactions हमें यहाँ example की form में उन्होंने दे दिए कि पहले वो क्या सोचता था कि अगर वो लिखना सीख जाता है, एजुकेटेड मैन बन जाता है, तो उसकी अचीवमेंट की कोई लिमिट नहीं होगी. फिर उसके आइडियाज चेंज हो जाते हैं थोड़े से और कि अगर वो होल सेंटेंसेस लिख जाता है, लिखना सीख जाता है, तो वन डे दैट विल ब्रिंग हिम more than these a few hundred rupees. Then he realized that stealing is a very simple matter and to be caught is also very simple, but to be a really big, clever, and respectable man in the society is something great. So, what makes him return to Anil? First, come to the first part of the question, if for which you are given the hints how his reactions change. Yes, raise your hands. Quickly come forward, beta. Those who have not got the turns. Sushant, yes, beta. Yes, Sushant.
Yes. Hari Singh already knew the importance of education. He knew that if he learned to sentences, he would be able to make a more occasion from the Anil, as he knew its advantage.
Yes. You have been given
Next,
hints for that.
ma'am.
You can use those hints also. Hari Singh was a clever boy. He knew that education would enhance his knowledge, change his personality, and open opportunities for him. So he showed keen interest in getting educated. He thought he would get a good name and fame in the society. After he leaves Anil's house with the stolen money, his conscience pricks him. He thinks about the value of education, and this thought forces him to go back to Anil. क्यों वो return आ जाता है वापस अनिल के पास क्यों आ जाता है? Because he realized that he was the only man he had trusted. And No, his thoughts about education do not change, but remain the same throughout the story. हमने शुरू में देखा उसके क्या व्यूज थे कि वो सोचता है कि उसकी अचीवमेंट की कोई लिमिट नहीं होगी, और एंड में आकर फिर रियलाइज करता है दैट ही वुड बिकम अ बिग मैन, he would become a clever and respectable man in the society. That means his views about education did not change. He realized more and more about the importance of education throughout the whole story. And he came back to Anil because he realized the value of education, and he thought that he could become a good man, he could become a respectable person. This is another idea. And the second idea was that he realized that he should not deceive a person who had put a faith in him. Yeah, otherwise we in general life also we should have this value in our ourselves कि अगर हमारे ऊपर कोई बहुत ज्यादा विश्वास करता है तो we should not deceive that man, उसके विश्वास को हमें तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है? And that idea came in his mind also. Now coming to the second question. Same students raising hand, beta please come forward. Lavanya Sharma, yes beta. Lavanya Sharma, read the second question beta.
Yes, ma'am. Why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employers? Anil did not hand over the thief to the police because Hari Singh had kept all the money that he had stolen back to its place, and and Anil wanted him to realize his mistake himself, and wanted him to improvise. No, I do not think that most people in today's world would have done so, because people are always concerned about their money more, and they would have handed the thief over to the police immediately. Anil is very much different from such employers, as he was a very kind man and wanted that Hari Singh should amend his ways.
Yes, very good. Anil does not hand over the thief to the police because he wanted to give Hari Singh another chance to improve himself. And if we go for the second question, do you think most people would have done so? No, certainly not. Most people would not have reacted like Anil, as they would have felt that Hari Singh could be a threat to them and he might steal from them anytime again in future. And if we go for the third part of the question, in what ways is Anil different from such employees? Anil is different from such employers as he was a simple and kind-hearted man. He gave a chance to Hari Singh, trusting that he would reform himself. Clear? Now coming to some more questions that are given to you in the next part, talk about it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, here in the second question that why does Anil not hand the thief over to police, ma'am? Can we write that he understood that Anil understands that Hari Singh has something. Hari Singh has now changed, which has brought him back to home, and he, instead of robbing, has returned him money.
Yes,
So he
this is the same idea that when he
goodness.
saw that the money was kept under the mattress and it was still wet, he came to know about that. And he thought in his mind that he had changed his views. So he wanted to give him one more opportunity to improve himself. उसके माइंड में आ गया था कि उसने गलत काम किया था, इसीलिए वो वापस आ गया ना। तो वो उसको एक और चांस देना चाहता था कि वो अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करे, कि अगर उसके माइंड में अब अच्छी बात आई है, गलत काम छोड़ने की बात आई है, तो उसको और एक मौका मिलना चाहिए. That's why he did not hand over to the police. He wanted to give him one more opportunity and chance to improve himself. Okay, it's one and the same idea that you have given. Yes, coming to the next question, which you can call as your value based or the case based studies question जैसे आप science और maths में करते हो, where you have to give your own opinion, and the opinion can be in positive also, it can be in negative also, but you have to justify your answer. आप yes भी कह सकते हो, आप no भी कह सकते हो, लेकिन you have to justify with the example from the story and with the examples from your daily life routine. Okay. The question is, do you think people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction, or are there such people in real life? You have to explain from your real life experience. Daily life में आप क्या देखते हो? Please, some more students should come forward. Those who have not answered, come forward. Raise your hands. Same students coming again and again. Malvika beta, yes. Malvika, come forward. Good morning. Why don't you raise hands? Come forward and participate.
Yes.
Yes. What is your view about this question? Do you think that people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction, or are there such people in real life?
No, I don't think that people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction, because in real life, many people can be seen who do the act of kindness towards the many helpless thieves who uh, who
Yes.
started robbery because of some or other uh, bad situations in their life,
Hmm.
and uh, by trusting them, they also try to change their conditions and their situations.
Yes. Anyone else who wants to share the view opposite to it? Yes, Archana beta. Archana.
Ma'am, I think that people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction because in today's life there are many people who just consider money as the most important thing, and they care only about themselves and their wealth. They do not help others to improve, or they do not care about the society, or they do not care about the reformation of society, and what they just care about is wealth and wealth.
Yes, there are people like Anil and Hari Singh in real life too also. There are few people. Try to understand few. I'm not using a or the. Few we have already done in the determiners. It refers to almost negligible negative sense. There are few people like Anil who trust strangers. मतलब बहुत ही रेयर लोग होंगे, कम लोग होंगे जो कि अनिल की तरह strangers के ऊपर trust करते होंगे and give them shelter in their houses. It's difficult to come across people like Anil in real life, as they are few in number. We can easily find people like Hari Singh in real life, as such people do not want to work but just rob innocent people. दोनों तरह से आप ideas दे सकते हो. You can answer like that also, or you can divide the answer here, that we can find the people like Hari Singh, but people like Anil are very rare. Yeah. Yes, coming to the second question. Isha Sharma. Yes, but I read the question.
Do you think it is a significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Does this explain his behavior in any way? Uh, yes, Anil is a struggling writer, and because we can see that he doesn't get work each day. Uh, he used to struggle for the income, while at other times he used to worry about the next payment. Uh, uh, his lifestyle was simple, and he used to spend uh, his uh, his payment on his friends by doing party. According to me, he is a very be souls who just enjoy each part of his life without uh, um,
ठीक है. Yes. Yes. Anyone else?
without being.
Okay, very good. Anyone else wants to share? Devishi, you want to say anything?
Yes, it is significant detail that Anil is a struggling writer because his lifestyle is very simple and he used to spend according to his pocket at all time. His struggle sometimes gave him a lot of income and he used to spend those with his friends, and sometimes he used to worry about his income of next week. Hari's observation about the discontinuation in his work justifies his behavior regarding money.
When he did not hand over Hari Singh to police, does this action also justify something about his behavior? Brig Bajaj?
Yes, ma'am. That
Brig Bajaj, can you answer this question?
Ma'am, uh, uh, yes, Anil is a struggling writer because it is mentioned in the story that he doesn't get his payments regularly.
It's okay.
He,
They have explained this part. You answer for that part only, which I have asked.
ma'am, his but even instead of worrying about the condition and how will he will manage, Anil is not, he doesn't care about that. He is a careless and a jolly man. He enjoys his life and
Beta, my
he just
question is,
he
just listen, come to that point only. This all we have discussed already. The question is, Anil does not hand over Hari Singh to police. Does this show anything about his behavior? Leaving aside that he was kind and generous enough, did he realize about any problem if he was
ma'am
handed over to the police?
uh, ma'am in Anil doesn't hand over the Hari Singh to police, and because this shows that uh, he more than he values education and the reformation of Hari Singh more than money, and uh, he doesn't care about the money, but he understands that now Hari Singh has changed and he has something
Okay,
good in himself which has brought him back to himself
okay.
to return the money. So
Just wait, listen. How you have to justify this answer. First, you will tell about Anil, as it is explained in the story, that Anil was a struggling writer, thus his income was less and irregular. He could not afford to pay Hari Singh, but he offered him a job of cooking, cleaning the house on the condition that he would give him food and teach him to write. In the end of the story, Anil does not report Hari Singh to the police since he knew about his situation. Anil himself was a struggling writer, thus he could understand the consequences that the dearth of money could have on people like Hari Singh. Dearth of money means lack of money. कि अगर वो पुलिस को हैंड ओवर कर देता है तो पैसे की कमी से क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं. He knew those consequences. Realizing that also, he did not hand over him to police, and that also shows about his reaction or his behavior, why he did not hand over Hari Singh to police, because he knew about the dearth of money, what problems and what struggle the people have to face if they don't have enough money. As he was suffering, he was not having regular income. It was irregular. Whenever he writes for the magazine, he gets a check, and he, otherwise that was his nature, that he did not worry about that, and he enjoyed whenever he get the money. He went along with his friends and celebrated. But he knew the dearth of money, कि money नहीं था उसके पास, पैसा जब irregular है उसके पास पैसा नहीं होता तो कैसी problems या consequences, कैसे results उसको face करने पड़ते थे. He knew that and he did not want to put Hari Singh into that situation. Clear? Yes, coming to the next question. Raise your hands who will answer for the next question. Khushdeep, yes, beta.
Have you ever met anyone like Hari Singh? Can you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief?
Yes.
No, I have not met anyone like Hari Singh. Yes, the circumstancing that might have changed Hari Singh into a thief would be that he might have to take care of his mother and his younger siblings. So, and there would be no other person who could earn for the living of his family. So he might have started some other work, but he was not successful at that. So he took to theft.
Yes, you can imagine. If you have not met, you can imagine and give your views about that. So you can say, if you say no, that you have not met anyone like Hari Singh, you can imagine that a 15-year-old boy turning into a thief. Boys who belong to very poor families, they easily become thieves. Maybe Hari Singh's poor parents could not send him to school to get education. They could not fulfill even his smallest requirement due to extreme poverty. And under such circumstances, anyone can be forced to move out of the house and turn into a thief. As we discussed in the beginning of the story, that these are the sometimes the circumstances which lead these type of people to go to these wrong activities. Otherwise, God has provided goodness to all, and that goodness can be awakened with the feeling of love and sympathy and attachment, and by probing the conditions, the background conditions of that very person. Yes, coming to the next question. Divya beta, yes. Anything you want to say or for the next question?
And for the next question,
Yes, read the question then.
where is the story set? You can get clues from the names of the person and places mentioned in it. Which language or languages are spoken in these places? Do you think the characters in the story spoke to each other in English? And the answer is, according to me, the story is set somewhere near Uttar Pradesh in Lucknow, because a train named Lucknow Express is mentioned in the story, and the names of the characters also, characters that is Anil and Hari Singh are Indian names. Are Indian names. I think the characters in the story spoke to each other in Hindi or in Indian language other than English. Uh, uh,
Yes.
Other than
Yes, good. The story is set in the state of Uttar Pradesh. When Hari Singh steals Anil's money, he plans to run away to Lucknow, and we are given the name of Lucknow Express. The language spoken in Uttar Pradesh is Hindi. So the characters must have spoken in Hindi with each other. So far, we get the idea from the story. Now let's have discussion of some more questions. And now I want some more students to participate in this discussion. Those who have not got the turn, they should come forward.